Look at this. Oh, look at that. Holy cow. Look at this Yas Marina Blue M4. Check out this Mustang. So this is the 5.0 GT Premium. And that is a gorgeous color, but look on the wing, he has a wing extension on it. That is really cool. So here's what it looks like from the side. Here's what it looks like from the front, and he has the little carbon canards on it. They're not real carbon, but that's really cool. He has a front lip on it, and little gray alloy wheels, and each side has dual exhaust signs. Look at that Honda Prelude. What? Ooh. Oh, look at that Targa. Oh, there's a Bentley Continental. It's all blocked out. Oh, look at that Cayman. Oh, check this out. There's an S63 AMG Cabriolet. That is a nice car. One of my dream cars right there that's a daily driver. That's S63 AMG. This is one car I love. I would love an S63. This is a good way to spend $200K in Canada. Ooh, look at the Mustang. Look at this Lamborghini Aventador. Oh, that is nice. There's an AMG GT63S. Look at that. Look at that Lamborghini Aventador. This one's always out in the area. I see this one almost every weekend up here. Here's... Wow, that's a GTO. Look at that. Whoa, that's a beautiful Mustang. That looks like a Shelby. Holy cow. Rolls Royce Cullinan, look at that. Oh, that's a nice blue. Check this out. A white on white Targa. Holy cow, the white rims, the white paint, that looks so good. I don't think I've ever seen a white on white Targa. That is really cool. Here's a really old G-Wagon here. This is like 10 years old or more. Listen to the sound of that Lamborghini. Look at that. Ooh, Lamborghini Urus. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Wow. There goes the Supra. Oh, this is so cool. This Mercedes is like purple. Look at that Honda. So look over here. You've got a Lamborghini Aventador. You've got a Jaguar E-Type. There's a Camaro. Behind the Lamborghini, there's an Aston Martin.